Alright, my people, Dancehall skilla day here again, Yeah, big up and respect to each and everyone. I hope that everyone is okay and alright, you see? Yeah, more want to talk to you about a few videos that are being talked about on social media, you see? Yeah, more want to talk to you about even the video that shows a Jamaican musician who goes by the name of Govana. Yeah, Governor in a video said that National Water Commission within the country of Jamaica sent him a bill that costs over 500,000 Jamaican dollars in viewers and subscribers. And I'm wondering, what kind of slow leak in a water pipe could have cost over $500,000? You see me? I wonder all them things. But me soon get to that and tell you what I think about the situation there properly. You see? Now, first things first, I am going to put together and present to you pieces of videos that are from one entire video that shows an altercation between a female and airport officials at an airport that is located somewhere out there in the world. I don't have any confirmed information as to exactly where and when the entire video will be recorded. The entire video that I saw shows when an airport official was trying to take a travel bag away from the female. However, the female would not allow anyone to take the travel bag away from her. Now, according to some information that I got, allegedly it is said that the airport official was trying to take the travel bag away from the female so that the airport official could search the travel bag. But that's just alleged information, viewers and subscribers, you see? Now, some persons might call those airport officials the security or customs, you see? But I'm just giving the information as according to where I got the information. Now, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to present these pieces of videos to you that are from the entire video. But please bear in mind that in the entire video, you can hear persons yelling and shouting. And the entire video shows persons shoving and pushing each other. So before I present these pieces of videos to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in these pieces of videos might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here are the pieces of videos. Take a look, listen, observe, and you can also tell me what you think. Observe.
Tashi not listening. That's crazy, man. Nah, just slide your bag.
Is that? Swag one? Grab the bag. She grabbed the bag. She grabbed the bag.
He asking to be arrested, man.
Serious man. Oh, joking. Man.
That's crazy.
Yeah, I understand the thing when she said.
boys them on that side watching. All the boys on that side watching and got the woman going through that.
That side and say, but they might repeat the look here. Watch out, down in the bag. Down the trunk bag, watch out. Down feet. A drama this.
Yep.
There's drama there. So, what makes you know why nobody searching back? Really, I can't understand still. Sometimes something might in there embarrassing, you see me? Hopefully not in that travel bag that's illegal. You see me, I say, my people, I think I can somewhat understand. You see me, I say, maybe something that in the travel bag that might be embarrassing. Maybe. I am not sure why the female don't want any of those airport persons or employees or officials to search the bag. I don't know. You see me, I say, but hopefully not illegal in that bag. Don't go up so, you see me, I say, don't go up so. But you see, me tell you something. Me hear people complain about customs and them things, they see me, and oh, them bag get searched and so forth when them, you know, when them travel and them things. I know 1 or 2 times, me hear complaints over and over, me see videos about it, all them things, some embarrassing thing will get exposed in them bag and all them sitting there. I understand that, but them do them job, and if them detect that something in the bag when right or so forth, them go on search to make sure. Remember now, this what them are doing now. This what customs and airport officials do, you know, have to protect you and me when people are traveling, when we are traveling, you know. See me? Suppose a terrorist are go with certain things and them things. They even want to get into that. But just know, say, it is for your protection still. But at the same time now, some people might have called that now. Grab and catch back, or cat and mouse thing, or something like that, and they call it. And that it look like. The woman, well, the woman don't want a travel bag to be searched. The airport official take the bag, go around to this part with the bag, and then the woman run it down, take it back, come back. It look away, my people. See? Anyways, I'm going to move on to another topic here, my people. Tell me what you think about that whole situation. There are those pieces of videos. Alright. So, I see a video that shows the Jamaican musician who goes by the name of Govana. Now, in that video, Govana talk about water bills that he got from NWC, which is National Water Commission, a company within the country of Jamaica. See? Now, my people, I want to point out certain things when it comes on to the whole situation that Governor talk about. Because me hear people talk about the situation, but I don't hear where some of them persons they really and truly point out certain things. You see me? Listen me now, people. See? Now, according to some things the governor said, me get the understanding that him said that work did a go on in place, meaning like construction and so forth at your house, theme place or whosoever place, but him pay the bills, right? Cool. Him said him get a water bill from National Water Commission, which is NWC, something over 70,000 Jamaican dollars, right? And at one point, according to the things where him said that the water had been disconnected on the 29th of October, the year 2021. However, him say when he get the understanding about that, he pay the bill the same day. But he kind of pay it in a way where they couldn't connect back the water the same day. And he saying he even pay more than the amount, must be 75,000. Alright. Him say, we go to National Water Commission, connect back the water on the 30th of October. They understand when we get from some of the things when he said. Then him say after that now, see, he get a bill that costs over 250,000 Jamaican dollars from National Water Commission. See? Now, him saying get the bill on the 25th of November. However, the due date upon the bill as the 22nd of November. See? That's what him say. And me say so when me hear when he say, I'm gonna get the understanding according to some things when he say. And then after that again now, him saying get another bill from National Water Commission will cost over 540,000 Jamaican dollars. Now, my people, let me say this to you now. See? Which water pipe can slow leak for a month or 2 months and reach over 500,000 Jamaican dollars? Me not even put it so much. You see, me I put it at 200,000 Jamaican dollars. And this is a question me I ask, right? How many leaks have they on water pipes then for someone's water bill to reach over 200,000 Jamaican dollars, much less over 500,000 Jamaican dollars? You see me? Now, in my point of view, I think that water would have to be gushing out a pipe for your water bill reach over $200,000 for a month. If we even say the 200,000 then, I think that water would have to be gushing out a pipe. See? For your water bill reach over 500,000 Jamaican dollars for the month. Yes, what I say. And the thing about it is, no, governor said that he is going to pay the over $500,000 bill when he getting him. Say he go pay it. I mean, understand the reason why he said that he go pay it because he might try to avoid certain things. You get what I mean? Yeah, my understanding is that he just avoid certain things. You know, if you go pay a lawyer, do this and that and that. This is me about that him say. But me, I really and truly think and ask you, my viewers and subscribers, and each and every one, how much leaks have they on a water pipe? Which toilet can leak for a month for cost over 200,000 Jamaican dollars in a water bill? More so, 500,000 Jamaican dollars. That's the question me really and truly. I like when you think with me, people. See? It look away. But anyways, yeah, me just make you know me think about that situation them people, because him do a video and you know the video they out there. Me just give you my opinion towards that. You see me? So I'm going to move on to another topic. You can tell me what you think about some of the things that I just said. You can tell me if I'm wrong, you can tell me if I'm right, but I think that water would have to gushing out a pipe. Like really gushing out a pipe for a water bill within 1 month time to reach over $200,000, more so over 500,000 Jamaican dollars. You see me I say, I know Disney World. You understand? So me don't know. Yeah, almost Disney World I'm living at. Me I tell you. Anyways, now I'm going to present a video to you, my viewers and subscribers. And in this video, a man said some things that gave me the understanding that he said that he had been stopped by the police one night when he was traveling. Now, my understanding is that this man is a motorist. And I want you to listen to the things that the man said in this video and tell me if you believe or if you don't believe the things that he said. You can also tell me what you think overall about the things that he said as well. Alright? Here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
I just learned this. So our time you know. 12:25, long past curfew. Not because not say me I broke curfew or nothing like that. Long story why me feel out of me feel out of it true. But watch I go on. So the officer they stopped me a while ago, you see me? And then take my papers and do the necessary and the license, firearm and the whole of that, you see me? Then the boss is like, so what am I do with you now, Mr. Dawson? So me is like, John, no star, me can't help myself. Because reality is still come from a hot date, so I kind of, yeah, I mean, I don't know most of car and anything that we use, cash kind of. So I said, John, you know, so I can't help myself. You know, we at, man said, nah, man, nobody no travel them hours and now them toll fee. That's how we do. So I said, wait, we learn a new thing. So all you need right now is a toll fee, my teacher. Once I have a toll fee, curfew now, nothing for you.
You know, people, me not even want to ask if you give any money. Yeah, me don't even want to get another part there, panaril, because no, me don't even get another part. You see me? But you know what I want to point out though? I want to say this to each and everyone, you see? During curfew hours within the country of Jamaica, if you're not authorized to be on the road, don't go on the road. You hear me I tell you? Don't follow no hearsay. Don't follow no hint now, no clue from nobody. Don't follow no word of mouth or anything about, if you know me say, no follow them thing there. Till you will end up get yourself in a problem here. So if a curfew hours in the country of Jamaica, and if you don't have any legal authorization to be on the road, issued from the government or so on, tan your yard, tan de. Yeah, me I set you up, people. But I follow no bag of hint and clue. Alright. Yeah, so tell me what you think about the things that the person said in that video. Here's where I believe it. Big up and respect to each and every one. Alright? I am out.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch.